How are you?
Fine, sir.
So could you please, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Venkat Sai. I pursued my Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication stream. Passed out in the year 2022. After that, I joined in a company called Emphasis. Worked as an associate software engineer for 3 months and worked on the projects based on Java and full stack development. Done projects on like online quiz and etc. Right now, I am interested in learning AWS with DevOps.
Okay.
And I'm continuing to do that.
So have you done any project in AWS?
Yes, sir. I've done project on 3-tier architecture.
Okay. What is 3-tier architecture? I mean, what are the types involved in this 3-tier architecture?
There are 3 tiers in the 3-tier architecture. One is the web tier, and the next one is application tier.
Okay.
The last one is the database.
Fine. So I'm going to ask you a real-time scenario. Assume, I mean, you can say answer this. So I'm hosting a website. The website database is going to, I mean, data is going to complete, the 1 TB of data is going to complete by today, end of the day, by 12 p.m. in the late night. So now what you do?
We have to attach an additional storage.
So you attach or you modify and increase the storage?
Yes, sir.
What do you do? What is your way of approach?
We have to use EBS.
So you modify and increase the storage type, also in the size, or you create new one and attach that storage to the server?
We should create another one and we have to attach.
Attach and create, or just modify and increase the size of the?
We can modify it also.
Modify. So what are the types of EBS volumes we have?
We have general purpose.
How many general purpose we have?
We have GP2 and GP3s.
Okay. So what is different between load balancer and auto-scaling? How do you configure the load balancer and auto-scaling?
Load balancer is a component where the incoming traffic is distributed to the existing servers.
Okay.
Like it helps the servers to not get crashed.
Okay.
It increases the availability and for the users.
Fine.
Auto-scaling is a process where we increase the number of servers depending on the number of users or the CPU percentage.
Okay. So what is S3? What are the storage classes we have in S3?
S3 is simple storage service where it is used to store data, and we have different classes.
What are the storage classes?
Frequently accessed one, standard storage, standard infrequent, intelligent tier, glacier, deep archive.
Okay. Anything else? Why we use lifecycle?
Because if we store data, we use some data frequently. The data which is not accessed by us automatically changes its storage class. Because of that, we can save the storage in the.
What is versioning?
Versioning is it gives the history of changes. The changes.
How do you take? I mean, what is multi-AZ deployment RDS? What is multi-AZ?
Yes, multiple availability zones.
Okay. What is multi-AZ deployment?
We use 2 availability zones to store our data. One is
only 2 availability zones
for the backup. One is primary and the second one is
only 2.
You can use 2 or more.
Okay. What is different between read replica and write replica?
In the write replica, we can modify the data.
Okay.
In the read, we cannot modify. We can only access it.
That's it. Fine. Thank you.